Thank you for purchasing MRCM September 2025 course. This course is basically targeted for an SBA exam. In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate our website. First thing is you need to open the browser. You can open any browser. For here, for example, I'm opening the Google Chrome. So just open the Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, type draamrcmcourses.com. Then press enter. Once you press enter, you will go to our home page. In the home page, you can see my account. Just click this my account. Once you click the my account, this page will appear. In this page, you need to enter your registered email address followed by your password. Then you need to click login. Once you click login, you get logged in into your account. And this how your logged in page will be looking. Here, your courses, what you're subscribed for will be appearing. As you're subscribed for MRCM SBA September 2025, only this will be appearing. Rest of the courses will not be appearing. So only this will be appearing. Click this course, what you see here. Once you click this, it will log into this page. In this page, the first thing what I want you to do is click join Telegram discussion group. Once you click join Telegram discussion group, this page will open up. Here, I want you to click group link. Before you click group link, make sure in the same device you have the Telegram app and you are logged in into the Telegram app. Then click the group link. It will redirect you to the Telegram app and send a request for adding you to the discussion group. After clicking the group link, I want you to message on this number on Telegram app mentioning your name and phone number so that we can add you to the discussion group. Followed by this, next thing what we'll be looking is live classes. Once you click the live classes here, this page will appear. Before clicking this live class button, I want you to install the Zoom app. Make sure you're logged in into the Zoom app and make sure your display name is the same name as the registered name. Then click the live class button. This live class button will be functional only few minutes before the live class. Here you can see the timing and the schedule what has been put up here. This is just for an example or demonstration purpose I put up here. This schedule will be put up, or every month a new schedule will be put up for the next month. So on previous month's 25th, in the next month's schedule will be posted. So 25th of this month, a next month's schedule will be posted, for example. So make sure you click this live button only few minutes before. Make sure you have the Zoom app. Make sure the display name in the Zoom app is same as the register number. Once the live class is finished, according to the chapters here, what is mentioned, for example, the live class of introduction, chest X-ray and ECG has been finished. Just click that one. Within 24 hours, a video or recorded version of that class will be appearing here. This you can just play here and the video will start playing. Here below the video, you can see the timestamps. If you want to jump from hard blocks to you want to jump to the ECG, just click here. It jumps to the ECG here. Directly it jumps to the ECG. In the similar manner, you want to go to the full screen, press this button for the full screen. It goes into the full screen. Press this button for this timestamp again. Into mark to go back or exit from the full screen. You can forward by clicking the forward bar, what you are seeing here, or just clicking the forward key on your keypad. The next thing what we'll be looking at is the blueprint. Blueprint will always be above the video. If the video for that class is not there, only the blueprint will be appearing. Usually this blueprint will appear at least a week before the live class. You can download this blueprint by clicking the button here, download. It will get downloaded in the device in which you open this browser. And this blueprint can be printed. I want you to print it and make your own notes. This blueprint will have plenty of blanks. Fill up the blanks and make up your own notes. Below this, at the end, you can see here is the question bank. Question bank we have in two modes. One is the revision mode, another one is the test mode. Both the modes will have similar questions, but the interface differs. First one we'll be seeing in the test mode. So I'm clicking the test here, ECG recalls test. In ECG recalls test, once we click it, it will go in this manner. Restart or continue, because I already done it. I'll click restart or continue quiz here. Start quiz. Then the quiz will start. Here is the timer because it's in test mode. Here is the timer. Then you need to select this option and go to the next one. You want to skip and go for the fifth one directly. You can go to the fifth one, click here and you can go to the next one. You want to just quiz summary, you can see only the questions here. You want to jump from one question to another question, you can do it. You want to end the exam, just go to the quiz summary, then click finish quiz. It will end the exam. Once the exam is ended, it will show your score compared to the average score. You want to review the questions, go for view questions. Once you go to the view questions, you can just jump from first question you want to review, or you want to review the sixth one, you directly go to the sixth one. No, I want to review the eighth one. Yes, review the eighth one. A brief explanation will be given below. Now let us see how different it is from the revision mode. So I'm clicking the revision mode here for the same ECG recalls. Once I click the revision mode here, continue quiz, which I was doing. So if you are directly exited out without completing it, you can continue it. Here I want to see, for example, sixth one here. Sixth one, I mark this one. I want to check what's the answer. Check. Once I click check, it will show what your if it is wrong answer, it will show what I've checked is wrong, and the right answer is this one. A brief explanation for the same will be given below. Then you can go for the next one. So immediately after you answer the question, you can check for the answer and the explanation. So here you can see it says what I've selected is wrong and the brief explanation is given here. There is no time mode. You can take your own sweet time to do it. That's the basic difference between a test mode and a revision mode. Mock exam will be at the end of your course. So basically, when we are reaching closer to the exam date, 1 month before the exam date, you will be having the mock exam. So mock will be appearing here on a later stage. This ends the video tutorial for the website. Thank you.